Y'all ready to get busy? Now buttermilk biscuits, here we go. Sift the flour, roll the dough. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Move your butt to the funky beat. Buttermilk biscuits. Them buttermilk biscuits. Buttermilk biscuits. Lord have mercy, Mixer got me rapping about biscuits now.
There's a windstorm. Boat's moving. There's only one cleat here. We're waiting on some dock improvements. So I've got this tied across the dock. But I'm the last boat. So I'm not tying across where other people are going to be walking. But yeah, we need to get another cleat in here for a point of redundancy because it's really pushing us that way right now. Yep. Oh, we got tied up. We're all good. Wind came on quick though, didn't it?
Yes.
Alright, well, very exciting. We have sealed this all up and we've put some new boards in here. These three are Tamarisk from Moab. They're the first to go in there. There was one board in there before and it was very cracked. Now I went to glue it back together and decided I didn't like it, so I put some of this in here and we're gonna put more of it in as we can where it makes a little sense. We might do some kind of center board running all the way up there and do more of the middle there in Tamarisk. But yeah, we got this varnished and this is right over the bed, so it was leaking onto the bed, but not anymore. We got rain coming in 2 days and we've got these other ones to do. You can see this, I don't know if you can see, but that was done in the rain, which is not easy to do. Let's see what we get over here. There are so many spiders that fly in on the wind. Yeah, so we're getting this done. This is the seal between here and the deck, and then there's another one I gotta do back in there underneath and all the way around, and then yeah. And this is what this looked like before. So this is totally untouched here. You can see some of the old varnish there, and then down here on the side it's nothingness. It's just all gone. So we get that all freshened up. We can look at the front one. Oh my god, these spiders. It's not the spiders, it's the webs. Okay, Crystal literally just did that. Just cleared all the spiders. But yeah, here we can see this is a weighting. You can see it's a little cracked here, and this is why I'm changing all this one little bit at a time. But at least this one should keep the water out. And this big section up here is done. Yeah. And looks pretty darn good. Just needs some varnish and a little oil there. The deck gets oiled so it doesn't get slippery, and then other stuff gets varnished, but we're getting there. I don't think you can see all these spider webs, but wow. Oh my god. Can we see them here? I just don't know. More and more and more. Now we have some fantastic duping. Oh boy. There'll be a fabric booty that covers that up, and then That will have to all be taken off when we re-rig here. But yeah, more and more getting it all sealed up. It's been nice here. It really has been. There's egrets. And other birds. What are they doing down there? Something in the water. There's all those plants. It's like flotillas. The tide comes through here, so yep. And Paul lives in this little floating house. He is Irish. Paul is very fun. And this guy right here, he's a diver. Does hull work. Fun. Well, there are leaks. So it's been raining. We got a few days of rain coming. I've been working on the deck. But the water is still coming in. We got 1, 2. It's coming in over there. In one spot, it's coming in the bathroom up there. It's also coming in right here a little bit. And I got dripped on. And there's one drip coming from right there. And there's 2 drips right here. And there's another drip in the bathroom in there. And is that all of the drips? The drip in the bed has returned, unfortunately. So, yeah, I just have to get all of it done. Getting parts of it done. The parts that are fully done are kind of working. Yep, fun. Solar panel is charging the battery very slowly. Well, it is ceiling demolition day. And maybe we can see it right there. Oh God. That one just dripped right on me. So these are mounts for stuff on the deck. I think these are both cleats. Not sure what that one is. More over there. And then these are the winches. And all of these. A lot of these are leaky where they have come through. And I'm not sure why you would cut this like that before you would put that on there. Yeah, I'm gonna throw some resin in there. This whole ceiling is gonna get sealed from the underside and then from the top side. And you can kind of see here, this is the inside of a lot of this stuff I couldn't turn out. Where's the really good one here? Let's see. With a very fun screw that if you're trying to unscrew screws like that, they don't unscrew. And I don't know how it would become that way. But we're going to have a whole new method of attaching the ceiling in here. And we got to make some new boards. Parts of this was all glued together. So I had to split it, and so that means I gotta like resurface here with like I don't know, probably putty. It's on the ceiling. Epoxy's really hard on the ceiling because it runs away. Yep. So now we gotta seal all of this. It's gonna be beautiful at the end. All right. Well, we got Chris, Harbor Master here, is about to dive on our rudder and hopefully reduce one of the leaks, and so I can work on it better on the inside. And that's what we're doing. We got the electrician there in the back. He's bringing electricity to our spot here. We've been here for a while running on the generator, so that'll be exciting. Windy day today. I'll give you the update on how this all goes. It's a Christmas parade. Alright, well, this is the very fun way that the wires go for the new electrical system. So batteries and inverter are in here. That old gel battery is leaving. This compartment is going to get vented with positive and negative vent. The electrical panel is coming along. We now have most of the systems over here. We've got these things and power running to the back, and we're gonna get there, but it runs, oh man, they go up and then they go down and then they go all sorts of places. And we've now got this forward bilge pump installed, because if we have leaks in certain places, the water ends up in here. Yep, and then that pumps through to the back, to the main bilge. Fun. Alright, well, this is very fun. We now have the inverter wired up, and this is a heat gun. We can turn the heat gun on. It's running on the batteries. We can turn on high. And it won't do this for that long. Only a couple hours. It's gonna count down. Hard to say, but that's a lot. The battery bank's gonna get bigger. And the battery charger's on right now.
Gator boots with a birch out Gucci's, them Gucci suits. Ain't got no job, but I stay shy. I stay shy. Can't pay my rent. I can't pay my rent. All my money spent, but that's okay, 'cause I'm still flying.
All right, so we've rearranged the bow here, and we now have lumber collection. And see, black walnut, and then there's like a random zone, and then there's olive from Moab. This is Russian olive from Moab, and then Purple Heart and Padauk, Tennessee Red Cedar. This is teak from the back, aft cabin. This is the Tamarisk collection, which there's actually a lot here. This goes all the way down, and there's some more over in there. So that's very fun. And this is oak, sort of a fun collection of rotted oak. And then black locust. All this is black locust from Moab. That's pretty fun. This oak is from the foothills near Coloma. Sorry, this light does a weird. And these are all the shorties. There's like 20 species in this little bundle. And we got more and more and more, and then all the scraps in places like this. Oh, I'll show you what's real fun. That's right here is this stuff. This is from Oregon. This oak. And it's rad. And I've been carrying this now for 4 years. I got a few pieces of it back in there. And we're going to put that into the boat. And all of this is going into the boat. Ta-da! Alright, well, we are underway. We are being towed by Boat US. And we are headed to Pittsburgh. Cruising along. My nose is all stuffed up. This was an earlier start to the day than I've done in quite a long time. Yep. But here we go. Alright. Well, we are out in the main channel now. Approaching the Antioch Bridge. We are being towed to Pittsburgh, which is it's kind of low-key luxe here, actually. Yeah, we don't have to do anything. We just sit on our boat. I even got the heater going. Yep, and made a little ramen noodle. It's a bit of a chill on this morning, for sure. Now we're gonna be, looks like we're gonna be passing a large vessel here. Indeed. There is a vessel. We'll see. We'll see what this wake does to us, huh? Thing's pretty big. Well, it's being pushed by a tugboat. We got about 15 seconds. And here it comes. Oh my, that was wild, huh? Nothing's happening, really. A little bit of movement, but that's it. That's the main wake right there. Not bad, huh?
It's so stable.
Yeah. That's from a giant boat, too. They're craning that white stuff out of here. I think it is potash. There's dudes on there. Wonder where those dudes are from. Dark-skinned dudes. A giant pile.